What's going on, guys? Three Wheels in a Block back again. I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Happy 2019 everybody out there. Thank you to all my new subscribers who hit that subscribe button. Also want to say thank you to Sarah. Thanks for the shout out. So things have been a little quiet on the channel because there's been a lot going on this past year. In fact, so much I couldn't even tell you all about it in this video without it getting long, drawn out, and boring. So I will throw a little snippet right here of what happened. And then there's more stuff that happened that I'll show you as this year progresses and things move along. There'll be more daily driver digest content. There's also going to be more content on the Misfit. In fact, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the Misfit Chronicles teaser trailer. The Misfit Chronicles will debut 1/1/19. So that's right, January the 11th, the Misfit Chronicles debuts. It's a 4-part series, so be sure to tune in for each one of the parts. They'll be coming out about a week apart, and that's going to walk you through the process of where the Misfit came from, how the Misfit came to be, how the Misfit got its name. Also, there'll be content about the 64 C10, more content about the 67 Chevelle, also content about the Dad Wagon, which is part of the Daily Driver Digest, and other things coming up on the channel. Be sure to tune in on Tuesdays, because Tuesday is going to be Trade Tuesday, where I trade something for something else. All of this in some form or fashion is automotive related, so it may be a car trading for car parts or car parts trading for a car. You never know, so tune in on Tuesdays for that. That will be the first Tuesday of every month. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at 3wheels1block. You can also email me at 3wheels1block@gmail.com. Follow me on Facebook, typing in 3 Wheels and a Block. There's also a video about where 3 Wheels in a Block came from, where that name came from. You can find that in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to email me or hit me up on Instagram, send me a tweet, and I'll be sure to get back with you. Thanks again for all my subscribers out there. Looking forward to more exciting content in 2019. I'll see you on the next one.